advantages of birds to people. Birds provide meat to people. Birds provide people with eggs. The sunbirds help in pollination of plants. The scavenger birds help to keep the environment clean by eating the carrion. Carrion, that is the leftover of the dead flesh or garbage thrown from dead meat or living organism. Domestic birds are also sold to get money. Some birds help in seed dispersal. Though birds have very many advantages, they can also be a nuisance in our local environment. And this is how they become a problem. Birds spoil farmers' crops by getting materials to make their nest from the crops, and they feed on some of the crops. Weaver birds cause noise pollution in the environment.